This isn't something that I particularly like to talk about, but I think it's necessary. It's why do businesses fail to make sales? And it's not just like the sales conversation. I mean, that's one aspect, but a lot of times it's the lead up to the sales conversation where a lot of these businesses fail. And certainly the clients that I've been working with recently in our call center that books appointments for our clients is that a lot of businesses do not even respond to web inquiries. I mean, think about that. A client or you go onto a business's website, type in your name and email address and phone number, expecting a phone call back, and yet that business doesn't call you back. Why? Why would, this is a warm, if not hot lead coming into your business. Why would you not respond to it? And look, I've been there. In my fitness business, when I first started out, I did not respond to a lot of leads. And I had all the excuses in the world to explain why I didn't do it. I was on the floor training clients. It was 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock by the time I was done. It was too late to call leads. I'd call them and they wouldn't respond. It's just all of these different excuses that would come about. And once I realized the power of following up and following through to book appointments, that's when my business got a lot better. And when I started my Business Lead Maximizer program, I did a study where I had one of my employees go onto 100 different fitness center websites across the US. He entered his name, phone number, and email address. And while many of them sent emails back, oh, we got your email request, just one of those autoresponders, right? Do you care to guess how many people responded via the phone? Just take a guess. What do you think? Half? More than half? How about 25? 25% of the businesses responded via phone. And it wasn't even a quick response either. It was a day. It was like a day by the time they responded. And that is absolutely irresponsible in my opinion. And sure, there's lots of excuses why that happens. But the whole I mean, somebody's putting their name, phone number, and email address on your website. Respond to them and respond to them quickly. Studies have shown if you respond within 20 minutes, you're more likely to get them on the phone. And when you get them on the phone, you're more likely to book the appointment. So why not respond to them immediately when they are requesting a response? Doesn't make sense to me. And I've seen this over and over again. And even if this is the other thing, I think only 1 out of 100 responded multiple times to try to get that appointment booked. Nobody else did. So the moral of the story here is if you want to succeed in business, you need to respond consistently and persistently to the leads that are coming into your business so that you don't fail, that you set up those appointments, that you get more bookings. So there you go. Another tip to help you get your business better and keep you from failing like all those other businesses out there. Stay one step ahead. Until next time, have a great day.